Mother road, God a road. And as a man in the early morning. Yes, God Almighty. Boy, this morning me I left everything in your hands, sir. Me now try assist you with things that you need no assistance with. Me I put all of my steps them in your hand this morning, God. The left one and the right one. Me I put all of my fight them in your hand this morning, God, because I know so when you fling uppercut, one of them no miss and it land in a perfect spot. Yes, God Almighty, me I put everything in your hand, my finances, my relationship. Me I put everything in your hand, God Almighty. Because I know with you as the captain for the boat, God Almighty, boy. See, could have rough like our. Yes, Christ, I said, if you go out in the deep, and me out in the deep, in the water pass neck, you know.